Introducing the POWERTEC guide rail adapter for routers. This adapter allows you to route perfectly straight grooves, decorative grooves, dovetails, and lots more with the assistance of a track saw guide rail. Straight out of the box, there's the guide rail adapter, a 0 to 8mm support, a 0 to 33mm support, 5 adjustment screws, 2 8 by 250mm rods, and 2 12 by 250mm rods. Assemble the guide rail adapter and rods using the 2 adjustment screws. Insert the rods through the guide holes of the router base, then loosely tighten the subadapter with the adjustment screws. Put moderate pressure on the main adapter to ensure the router is square, then set and lock the subadapter support. If the adapter is slacking, basically if there's any play, adjust the set screws until the adapter moves freely with no slack on the guide rail. Move the router to the desired position. Make sure that the cut line, the router bit, does not make contact with the guide rail. Please check compatibility charts for all known compatible models. It's that easy. Work safe, folks.